have right here the last melon, as it were, the last final box, subscription box from Lunarly. They have closed shop, and kind of ironically, this happens to be the 6th and final subscription box for my subscription that I bought. So I got the last one. And I think that that is fitting, considering that the last box was all right. I'm just grateful that this is supposed to be a plant box. So let's open it up and see what the last final box of Lunarly has to offer us. I see some green and I see a lot of dirt, which I figured because this has been sitting on my desk for a little bit and has just been raining dirt. As you can see, my table is now a freaking mess. The tape got stuck on the plant and the plant is out of its pot. So this is gonna need to be repotted. So yeah, so far this has been the messiest box. Plant wasn't super planted in the planter. I wouldn't be surprised if they just threw them together and got them out. Harvest moon is going to be September 10th, full moon. By nature, the harvest moon represents bounty and security. Bask in the knowledge of all that you've collected and worked hard for this year, taking a moment for gratitude and introspection. Enjoy the feeling of fullness and success that comes with this moon while still thinking ahead to the many more gifts that await you. It's harvest moon. So the plant that we got this box was Neanthe Bella Palm. Let's see what else is in our subscription box. We've got a dusting glove. Household duties provide us the opportunity to ruminate while we work, but that doesn't mean it should feel like a chore. Use these gloves to wipe down surfaces in a cinch. Wear this glove to remove dust from your life. A clean home means easier peace of mind. Once you're done, pop in the wash before using it again. And it looks like it's that kind of like a fuzzy sock material, microfiber material. So there's that dusting glove. Then we have lunar wall hanging. It's moon wall hanging. Give your space a celestial upgrade with this lunar wall hanging. It's part decor, part reminder to always set your intentions and live each day with purpose. So it's a piece of string with some leather cutouts placed in the different phases of the moon. So there's that wall hanging. Lasting Smiles Lip Scrub. Leave behind dull, flaky skin with this vegan lip scrub. It's formulated with organic sugarcane, organic sunflower castor, coconut oil, orange citrus, argan, and vitamin E to exfoliate and leave your lips looking lush. So a little bit of lip scrub. And then our mystery gemstone. Oh, it is tiny. Tiny, tiny. Crystals are a part of nature, which means that they connect us to the stability, renewal, and power of the earth. Use this stone to help you remember and get in sync with the monthly intentions you set. Oh. This might be pyrite. So all said and done, this final Lunarly box for the harvest moon, I think the palm tree, little palm plant, super cute. I'm definitely gonna have to do a little bit of work to make sure that it gets properly repotted and planted, and that way it can survive. The lip scrub, great. This, I don't know, I have no idea. I'm gonna have to look this up. So I'll let you guys know in the description box what I end up finding out what that is. The glove, all right, I could have got one at the dollar store. And then the leather hanging wall, I'll probably just end up hanging something just like this. That was, I believe, month 2 box from Lunarly. A lot of little knick-knacky things. I mainly just wanted the plants. So if you guys are aware of a subscription box that does plants every month, if you don't mind giving me a comment down below and letting me know, maybe send me a link. That way I can check that out. That's what I'm ultimately looking for, is a plant subscription box. This was the best one that I could find at the time, and it was all right. I don't know if I necessarily say that this is worth $50, you know, because I just buy this plant and that would probably be about $15-20 at Walmart. So everything else is kind of extra, and I don't know if I necessarily feel like my money is going to the best use. So I'm very happy that I experienced this, tried it out. I'm looking forward to trying out other subscription boxes and other plans and stuff like that. But I'm looking forward to the next best, greatest thing. I'm happy with the plants that I have, and only one of them has died, and that was my own personal failing. But everything else was good, so I really appreciated the opportunity for this. So let me know what you guys think down in your comment section. Give me some feedback. Let me know what some other products I can look forward to trying. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day. I hope that you remember to spread kindness to yourself and to others, and I'll see you in my next video.